Welcome students in class of 8A geometry. We are solving exercise 18A, question number 14. We are asked to find out the area of rhombus in which first diagonal is 20 centimeter and second diagonal is 14 centimeter. As per the formula, area of the rhombus equal to 1 by 2 into d1 into d2. d1 is the first diagonal, d2 is the second diagonal. 1 by 2 into 20 centimeter into 14 centimeter. So these two are cancelled, 2 10s are 20. So 10 into 140 equal to 140 centimeter square. In the question number 16, we are asked to find out the area of the, we are asked to find out the circumference of the circle while the area of the circle is given. Area of the circle is equal to 616 meter square. So pi r square equal to 616 meter square. So r square equal to 616 by pi, means 616 will be divided by the coefficient of r square, that is pi. So it becomes 616 by pi, and we have the value of pi equal to 22 by 7. So this 22 will come down and here 7 should come, but that 7 will go up. So it became 616 into 7 by 22. As we simplified, we got 28 into 7 centimeter square. Now this was the value of r square. R square equal to 28 into 7 centimeter square. So r equal to square root of 28 and 7. 28 is written in this form, 2 into 2 into 7. So this became 28. 2 2 is 4 into 7, 28, and this 7 is written here. So I splitted this in pair of numbers. Out of this pair of 2, I have taken 1 out. Out of this pair of 7, I have taken 1 7 out. So this becomes 2 into 7 equal to 14 centimeter. So radius of the circle equal to 14 centimeter. Now the circumference of the circle equal to 2 pi r. We know the value of pi equal to 22 by 7. 2 into 22 by 7 into r. R is 14 centimeter. 7 2 is 14. So 2 into 22 into 2 equal to 88 centimeter. In question number 18, this diagram is given in which we have the information the inner circumference. Inner circumference means the length of boundary line of inner circle, this length. This is the inner circumference. Inner circumference equal to 220 meter. And width, here is the width. Width of this path, path means way, the width of this path is 7 meter. This width, this is 7 meter. We are asked to find the area of the path, means what is the area of this path. This shaded line, shaded portion of the circle is the path. So what is the area of that path? So as the first information is given, the inner circumference of the path is 220 meter. For that we wrote inner circumference. For that inner circumference I have used radius is r1. Circumference equal to 2 pi r1. 2 pi r1 equal to 220. So r1 equal to 220 by 2 pi. 2 pi, this is the value of pi, 22 by 7. So that 7 will go up. We have now 220 into 7 by 2 into 22. We cancelled it. 22 into 10 equal to 220. So I wrote here 10. Now this 10 is divisible by 2. So I wrote here 5. 5 into 7 equal to 35 meter. So this is the inner radius. R1 is the inner radius. This is the circumcenter. This is R1, inner radius. And this is R2, that is outer radius. R2, in R2 this width of the path is also included. While we have inner radius R1 equal to 35 centimeter and width of this path is 7 meter. So outer radius, that is R2, outer radius R2 equal to 35 plus 7 means this is 35 and this much is 7. So 35 plus 7 will be the outer radius. So this became equal to 42 meter. Now the area of the path equal to the area of outer circle minus the area of inner circle. To know the area of the path, we will subtract area of the inner circle from the area of the outer circle. So for that I wrote the area of the path equal to the area of outer circle minus the area of inner circle. Now come to this portion. The area of outer circle, for that radius is R2. So for that I wrote pi R2 square minus area of radius of inner circle is R1. So for that area I wrote pi R1 square. So the area of outer circle minus the area of inner circle became pi R2 square minus pi R1 square. Here is pi, so pi became common. In bracket I wrote R2 square minus R1 square. This is in the form of a square minus b square, so we can write a plus b into a minus b, and here I wrote the value of pi, that is 22/7. R2 is 42 and R1 is 35, so I added 42 plus 35, and here is subtraction, so 42 minus 35. 22/7, this addition became 77 and this subtraction became 7. So this 7 cancelled. 22 into 7 equal to 1694 meter square. The area of the path equal to 1694 meter square. In question number 20, Roman number 1, the area of the circle is given 1386 centimeter square. We are asked to find radius and the circumference. So for that I wrote here the area of the circle equal to 1386 centimeter square. Pi r square equal to 1386 centimeter square. This is the formula of the area of the circle, so I wrote here at this place. Pi r square equal to 1386 centimeter square. Then r square equal to 1386 by pi. So 1386 by 22/7. This is 22/7 is the value of pi. 22/7. This 7 will go up. So this became 1386 into 7 by 22. I cancelled it by 11. 11 to the 22 and 11 into 126 equal to 1386. Again this is cancelled by 2. 2 6 is 12 and 2 3 is 6. It became 63 into 7 centimeter square. So radius r equal to, as we remove square from here, so this side square root will come. So r equal to square root of 63 into 7 centimeter square equal to 3 into 3 into 7. We can write this 63 as 3 into 3 into 7, because 3 3 is 9, 9 7 is 63, and one more 7 is here, so I wrote here. Now from each pair we will take one out. So from this 3, 1 3 came out. From this 7, 1 7 came out. So 3 into 7 equal to 21 centimeter. So the radius of the circle became 21 centimeter. Now we are asked to find out the circumference of the circle. Circumference equal to 2 pi r. 2 into 22/7, that is the value of pi, into this radius 21. So 7 3 is 21. I multiplied 2 into 22 into 3, that became equal to 132 centimeter. That is the circumference of the circle. In question number 22, Roman number 1, this figure is given. In this figure you are seeing that this is the rectangle and the length of rectangle is 28 centimeter. And this is the breadth of rectangle, that is 14 centimeter. In this, one complete circle is drawn whose diameter is 14 centimeter, and these two are semicircles with the same radius, and we are asked to find the area of the shaded region. These lines I have drawn to represent the area of the shaded region. So area of the shaded region, area of these dots, area of the shaded region equal to the area of rectangle minus the area of two circles. Where are two circles? First is this circle, complete circle, and if you join these two semicircles, then this will be a complete circle. So we have two circles. First one this, and second one addition of these two semicircle. So I wrote the area of shaded region equal to the area of a rectangle minus 2 into the area of circle. There are two circles, one is complete circle and another is this semicircle plus this semicircle equal to one more circle. So 1 plus 1, two circles. So area of rectangle equal to length into breadth, that is 28 centimeter into 14 centimeter given. Length is 28 centimeter and breadth is 14 centimeter. Length into breadth 28 centimeter into 14 centimeter minus 2 into area of the circle pi r square. R is 7. How can we say? Because diameter equal to 14 centimeter and radius is half of the diameter. So radius will be half of 14 centimeter equal to 7 centimeter. So this portion is the area of circle. Since there are two circles, so this is multiplied by 2 pi r square. Now this calculation became 392 centimeter square, and this calculation, this 7 cancelled, so 2 into 22 into 7 equal to 308 centimeter square. As we subtracted these two, we got 84 centimeter square. This became the area of the shaded region.